say the benefits of peanuts. Peanuts are very helpful for our body. It has vitamin B. From these peanuts we get fiber and proteins. Using these peanuts we get peanut oil. Using this peanut oil we can cook more sweets like jalebis and peanut burfis. The peanut burfis are made from this peanut. From the ancient days we use this peanut oil in our kitchen. The peanuts are very helpful for our body. Weekly once we should take these peanuts. It is very helpful.
Today I am going to share some points on green gram. Green gram is the pulse crop basically grown in India, and it is a tiny circular bean which is in green color. This green gram gives protein to the vegetarian basically in India and all over the Asia. Let's taste this. It's very tasty and healthy too.
International Eat Beans Day, and this is a beans. This beans is good to eat and it contains too many fibers which is good to our health. And this beans always mostly grow at hilly regions like Ooty. And this beans is a very rare thing and it is too tasty when we cook, and it's too easy to cook. And this July 3 is observed as International Eat Beans Day, and so on.
I am going to tell about benefits of moong dal. It helps to weight loss, and it controls the blood pressure, and it controls the BP and blood pressure. It's very healthy and it rich in protein and minerals.
Now we are going to talk about an interesting topic, Eat Beans Day. Eat Beans Day is celebrated in USA. July 3rd observed Eat Beans Day. I take one bean, which is the green gram. Green gram is a healthy to our body. Green gram provides protein, rich stable food. It contains 25% protein. Means now I can eat. Which your favorite bean, you can also take that.
Today is the Eat Beans Day. So we see some about the mung beans. Mung beans is the species from the leguminous family, and it is mostly cultivated in the East Asia, South Asia and the Indian subcontinents. It is an ingredient used to make savory and sweet dishes, and its scientific name is Vigna radiata.